Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta and this video is really important for you because in this video I am introducing Metasploit part of Kali Linux operating system. As you can see, I have Windows in my main OS and I have VMware in which I have installed two operating systems. One is Windows, here we go, and second one is Kali Linux. If you don't know Kali Linux is an operating system by which you can install in your system by using VMware. But after I'm giving you this task to install Kali Linux on your system, if you have done Kali Linux has a username and password. So I'm typing root. So I'm trying to hack this Windows using Kali Linux. It is the main practical of system hacking. You can install operating systems on VMware software. So first of all, you have to install VMware in your PC. Then you should have ISO of Windows and Kali Linux. Otherwise, you can download ISOs and install these two machines on your VMware. The requirement is in Windows, you have to download a Bad Blue Enterprise server. It should be in your Windows, Bad Blue, and install this. Bad Blue. In Kali Linux, go to terminal, type msf console. It will start the Metasploit framework of Kali Linux. And I have Bad Blue server in my Windows PC. Bad Blue server makes Windows vulnerable. That's why I have installed Bad Blue server. My Metasploit framework is running and will start within seconds. Yes, it is installed. Now I'm clearing first of all my terminal. First of all, you have to find a method in Metasploit database so that we can attack on Windows. So I'm finding a method for BadBlue. Search BadBlue. It is searching in Metasploit database and it will show me some exploits regarding BadBlue server because we have installed BadBlue server in our Windows. So our Windows is vulnerable and we are trying to hack Windows using our Kali Linux operating system. It is searching and I hope it will give me some exploits available. Yes, we have two exploits and as this is Bad Blue passed through, so I will use this exploit. I'm copying it and typing use this exploit. Copy and just click on this, right click, copy and type use space paste, enter. So I'm inside Bad Blue exploit. Now I have to set my victim IP address. So my victim is my Windows. So I am finding its IP address, command prompt, IP config 192.168.0.2. Set our host means remote host 192.168.0.2. Enter. I have set my victim and The final is I will run or exploit or penetrate into Windows by using exploit command. Yes, started TCP handler, and I have, yes, there is a interpreter session 1 open, means this window has been hacked by Kali Linux. I will type sysinfo, which will give me the hacked machine information. Yes, it is Windows, which I have hacked from here. Next, if I want to go to command prompt of Windows from this Kali Linux, type shell. Here we go. This is our command prompt of Windows. Let's type ipconfig. It should show us the IP of our window. Yes, pointer. So I'm inside window from my Kali Linux operating system. This practical is really important because it introduces Metasploit and exploits penetration and how you can access Windows from Kali Linux operating system. That's why I showed you in this video. So try it in your own PC. It is really interesting part of Kali Linux. I hope done you have received knowledge from this practical and will implement in your own PC by using VMware and Kali and Windows operating system. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.